What is asylum in U.S. immigration law? Let's examine. First, it is important to differentiate asylum in U.S. immigration law from refugee status. In order to be granted either asylum status or refugee status, an applicant must meet the immigration law definition of refugee. However, there is a critical difference between them based upon where an application is made. An individual may apply for asylum if he or she is physically present in the United States or upon arrival. In contrast, refugee status is sought from abroad. In order to be eligible for asylum in the United States, the applicant must establish that they had either been persecuted in their country of nationality or that they have a reasonable fear of future persecution in that country. Applicants without nationality may seek asylum based on factors in the country of their last habitual residence. Furthermore, at least one central reason for the persecution must have been because of the applicant's race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion. The applicant must also show that either the government of their home country was the persecutor, or that the government was or is unwilling or unable to control the persecutors. An applicant for asylum bears the burden of proof in an asylum application. An applicant may make an affirmative application for asylum. In the alternative, an applicant may apply for asylum as a defense against removal. With limited exceptions, an applicant must apply for asylum within 1 year of arrival in the USA. There are several other bars, both to applying for asylum and to being granted asylum. If an applicant is granted asylum, their spouse and/or children may be eligible for derivative benefits. 1 year after being granted asylum, a principal asylee may seek adjustment of status provided they meet the requirements. Derivative asylees may also seek adjustment depending on their continued status as derivatives of a principal asylee. The asylum application process is complicated and evidence-intensive. An individual should consult with an experienced immigration attorney prior to applying for asylum and throughout the entire process. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.